Hi guys, today we're going to unbox something special from Adidas. This is currently the shoes that compete with Nike Alphafly and Vaporfly. This is the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro. I just received it yesterday and let's unbox it. Currently these shoes sold out in the market, and this is the shoe itself. You can see inside, this is the striking lime color of the shoes. You can see the shoes, the mesh on the top, the upper is quite transparent. You can see my finger in the thick outsole, and some of the support on the heel counter is quite flexible. I can just push using one of my finger, and there's a lot of controversy on the shoe bottom because it seems very smooth, but when we touch our hand on it, it just feels like a sandpaper. From the front, same as the two strip on the heel counter. Yes, I did wear around the shoes around the house. It just pick up all the dust, you can see. So this grip is awesome. You can see it's using the Light Strike Pro foam, and it's a bit squeezable. For the shoes, it's quite stiff. It's very hard to bend it because of the carbon rod, 5 pieces of carbon rod inside. So I just wear the shoes around the house. You can see the rod is showing up on the bottom. I never wear the shoe go around. It's just walking around the house. Once I get it yesterday, the rod already show up. You can see the rod over here. 5 rod is showing up. So let's see the other side. The other side also same striking yellow, and the Adidas 3 stripe all around. Let's see what's inside. And inside, the tongue is sealed to one side and is connected all the way down. So we can't remove the inside. So from the back, you can see it's very simple and it's a bit offset for everyone, for the heel striker to land it on this side. For the inside, for the tongue is a bit rubberized, and same also here, a bit plastic and rubberized for the upper. For the bottom is Light Strike Pro. So let's weight the shoe, see how much the shoe weighs. So here is the shoes. Let's weight, see how much it weighs. So the shoes itself is 261 grams for US size 11 or UK size 10.5. So let's compare it to its competitor right now, the Nike Alphafly. So let's see how much is the Alphafly weight. For the Alphafly is 254 grams. So it's just like Adidas Pro is slightly heavier by 7 grams. I don't think I can feel it on my leg. So you can see these two shoes weight nearly identical. Hi, how about the unbox? Let's compare the both shoes together. The Adidas Adios Pro and the Nike Alphafly in my hand. So for these shoes, for the Adidas, it's 8.5mm drop. For the Alphafly, it's 5mm drop. So there is some difference on the drop. For the stack height of the both shoes, is look identical. From the Adidas website, Adios Pro is 39mm for this one is 40 mm, but Alpha Fly is slightly lighter than the Adidas by 7 grams. For the stiffness, you can feel that the Adidas is much more stiff compared to the Alpha Fly. For the cushion wise, the Zoom X foam is much more soft compared to the Light Strike Pro. So this shoe is much more stiffer than these shoes. I haven't tried to run with the Alpha Fly yet, and I'm going to try it this weekend on the Kuala Lumpur Stanchart Ultra Marathon. I'm going to use these shoes. While these shoes, maybe next 2 weeks, and I will test it out because of the current weather and my training right now. So for these shoes, it just won 3 categories in one single event. In the Valencia, it broke the world half marathon time, full marathon champion, and full marathon women champions. So these shoes currently sold out everywhere, and it's come with a cheap price compared to the Alpha Fly. In Malaysia ringgit, these shoes 849 ringgit compared to 1165 ringgit. There's quite a big difference of pricing between both super shoes. Let me down at the comment which shoe is your preference.